Good morning guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a duet on TikTok. First you open TikTok on your profile and search for duet on the search bar. Guys, you can't make every video duet, so please follow my steps. You search duet and go into the hashtag section. You click on the first hashtag and it will give you all the videos that you can make duet with. For example, you click on this video, you go to share and you click on duet. Then it will open your camera and this duet video will be like a split screen. Then you can record both videos the same time, so it will look like a duet. You can change the speed, you can add filters, you can add all sorts of stuff. And guys, that's the process of making a duet video on TikTok. And remember, not every video can be duetted.